Fuar in the shadows lays, clay or calls in the hollow space. The wind it whispers a fleeting tune under the veil of the silver moon. Fuar, where the cold winds play